Hey guys, welcome once again back to my channel Sumit's Quintessence. So today's video is basically a fast forward recording of one of my practice sketch that I was doing last weekend. So I thought of recording this and thought of sharing with you all. So hope you guys will like it. Let's have a look. So as you can see over here, I have done the basic outline of this eye, and I have used 3H pencil to do the outline, and I am using 2H pencil to put the first layer of shading on this drawing, as you can see. And as I told in my previous tutorial video that if you need to put first layer of shadings or very lighter tones you need, then you can go with these H series of pencils. So that is what I'm using, and slowly I'll be increasing the layers, I'll be increasing the tones. Now I'm using HB pencil to put the second layer of shadings, and slowly I'm increasing the shades, as you can see. And doing your drawings in these manner, layer by layer, makes your drawing looks more realistic. So now I'm drawing the reflection of the eyelashes in these highlighted areas, as you can see. So now I'm doing eyelashes. Whenever you are doing eyelashes, you need to be very much careful while putting your strokes. As you can see, each of your strokes should be individual and it should be completed in one go. It should not have a curved line or something. You need to be careful in that. And whenever you do these kind of things, you need to be always on tip of your pencil. You need to rotate your pencil so that you always get the sharper edge of your leads. As you can see, I am rotating the pencils. So guys, the sketch is almost complete. Let's have a closer look on this. I hope you guys liked it and you learned something from this drawing. So if you like this, please share and subscribe to my channel. So it's Quintessence. Thank you.